Hi, I'm the Barbecue Butcher. On today's video, I will be cutting and breaking down Southern Ranges Topside of beef. These come from the buttock of the animal or the hind quarter. And first, they're very large. They're probably, this one's good, 8 to 9 kilos piece of meat, which is great. And I'll show you how we can turn this cheaper cut of meat into a lot of different cuts and of meat that you can use it in your home, so you can save some money. So first, our Topside has a cap, which if you look here, you can see I'm just pulling it off with my fingers. There's a cap over another big chunk of muscle. So we'll take that off first by spinning it over, and then I'll show you as we go. Just cut straight down there as I cut, and then you see the seams, just pick them up as you go. Just spin it over, and the cap will come off, and you'll see why I call it a cap as it slowly comes off. And this will get to the big piece of red meat. The cap that I've taken off, I'll trim that up and use that for burgers and mince later on. But now we've got the big piece of meat I was talking about. Is just again, take a little bit of this fat off. If you want, leave it on. Turn it over once more, and always on the top side they have a bit of a vein in it. You can see it there. There's nothing wrong with it, it just comes in the animal, it's just how it is. And up here you'll see there's a bit of silver skin. Again, you've seen me how we do tenderloins, straight down, bring your knife back, and that silver skin doesn't really eat that well, so take that off. And that's about all you need to do. Again, there's that silver skin there. Sorry about that, it's just our guest barking at somebody. And then we're going to start on this corner here. You could do, some people do roasts, but I'm not going to do roasts. I'm going to show you schnitzel, because I love schnitzel. So thinly cut it and just pull back.
Hello.
And then you do this with your knife. Just be careful. Oh, there's some nice marbling in this one. That's good. And just keep on going. So you get as many pieces as you want. Most schnitzels, I'd go to about the middle part of it. And then we'll do some steaks and then some dice out of it as well. So you can do some more schnitzels, as thin as you want or as thick as you want. There's some schnitzels, and then we'll do, these are called Topside steaks. Some people do them as a tenderized steak. They put them through a tenderizer. You can braise it. Can be used for many different things. And then if you want good diced beef, this makes very good diced beef, because you can see it's very lean. It doesn't have much fat. And so to do dice, 1, 2, 3, turn them over. It turns into very good dice. Not much, a little bit of fat, but not too much, and just perfect beef, really, for diced beef. And the other cuts, just carry on going into some more steaks. Or if you want, if you've got a mincer at home, you can turn this into really awesome mince. As you can see, very lean, so you're going to get a decent mince off it. And that's off a Topside. So you get your dice, your steaks, and you get your schnitzel. And thanks again for watching the BBQ Butcher. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks very much.